Why are you so cold?
Minus 25 outside.
But you're inside.
Oh, yeah. I'm just joking around, but you know what? A story came across this morning that we wanted to mention on the Peep Show, and that is the fact that, it's that time of the year when the Christmas Cheer Fund needs your help. And this year they are $40,000 behind where they were at this point last year, and there's less than a week to go. They need to raise $94,000. Now, there's a couple different things that you can do. You can take part in what our sister station, CKPR, is doing this Friday, which is pretty cool. You can also drop off a non-perishable food cash donation over at the CLE, and that would be much appreciated because they're not looking at taking money from next year's Christmas Cheer Fund to pay for this year's Christmas Cheer Fund, and they're also looking at different fundraising things for the new year. But in the meantime, you got anywhere between 6,000 and 7,000 families that are hoping to get a Christmas hamper this year with, enough stuff in it in terms of food and toys for the kids. So if you can help out, I know it's kind of a serious, Peep Show this morning, but if you can help out, that would be great.
Because empty hampers, that's not a very nice thing to say.
Yeah, or a smaller one, and they found that people that were donating stuff last year are asking for stuff this year. So again, Thunder Bay, you've got a giant heart. It's time to step up once again. Thanks for watching the Peep Show.
Get the touchable blackberry storm from 2 days